Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to subscribe to Spotify Premium with Fampay. So you need to download and install Fampay from the Play Store or App Store. You need to sign up and finish the KYC verification. You need to access your virtual Fam card inside the app. Now, you need to top up your Fampay wallet using UPI, net banking, or your parents' account. Make sure you add enough to cover Spotify subscription fee. Now you need to go to Spotify Premium page, open Spotify app or visit spotify.com/premium. Pick your preferred plan. It could be individual, it could be student, it could be duo, anyone. Now you need to open payments page, select credit or debit card. Type in your PAN card number, expiring date, CVV and billing info. Then review the plan and tap confirm. Once the payment goes through, your Spotify Premium will be active. Now here's some important. Fampay works best when the card is active and funded. If it doesn't go through, try another card or double check the details. Spotify may restrict some card types in certain countries. So hope you found the video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below. Thanks for watching.